What's going on, everybody, and welcome to the channel. So in a previous short that I put up, I decided to keep my 99 Silverado. And so I want to go over it a little bit before I start doing any modifications to it, which is going to be a pretty quick review because I'm trying to get these headlights knocked out before it gets dark tonight, tail lights, and I got to try to see why the ABS and brake light are on, considering the ABS module's been changed out. I think it's probably a speed sensor, one of the wheel speed sensors, but I don't know. Anyways, let's get on with the review. So here it is, my 99 Silverado 1500 extended cab. And this truck came across at a very good deal because, well, this is a family-owned truck. And it's been sitting, so it's collected its surface rust. And just needs some TLC, needs some more stuff done to it. But I'm changing out the tail lights and all that. But anyways, the body's good. The only thing is, if you didn't really see, is this mess right here. So the truck's going to be getting repainted. And need to get that out. Well, that sucked. All right, so I guess we'll finish it off this way. Anyways, guys, so I ended up installing the headlights and taillights, and I got some video off my phone, so we'll go to that. But, oh, man, the taillights are not exactly what I had in mind. I didn't know they were going to be that dark. I thought they were just kind of like a light tint, but they're just black. And they might grow on me, I don't know, but I'm not going to have black wheels on the truck. My goal is to either get some polished wheels or like a dark gunmetal gray, but not black. And the headlights, oh, the headlights are horrible looking. Now, don't get me wrong. Once I installed them, the output is freaking awesome. Like at night and day difference compared to the halogen bulbs that were in it. But after I keep looking at it, and it's just not, I don't know, maybe it'll grow on me, maybe it won't. But you know what? Let's go to the video real quick because you're going to see what really bugs me. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. All right, guys, so I'm sorry for the wind, but these are the headlights on it. Now, like I said, I don't know, they're just not, but here's what bothers me. And like I said, once you see it, you can't unsee it. This gap is insane considering what the other ones were. Like, and the gap ain't that bad over here. But over here, I could fit my freaking finger all the way underneath it. Over here, it gets kind of stuck. So, I don't know. Is it just me, or that one looks like it goes down more? Or up more? I don't know. All right, so you saw the fitment. So I don't know. And I just ran upstairs while I'm out of breath right now. But anyways, that's about all I got on the truck right now. I do have some more videos coming. We're going to do a complete interior detail on it. And like, it's clean already. But guys, it's a 99 and it smells like 99 in there. Not in a bad way. It's just, I don't know. I just don't. It needs it. needs a deep clean. I need to fix the seat. It goes back and forth a little bit. Power seats, I kind of want to just change them out, get the manual seats. And what else? Radio, speakers. Man, I got a lot of stuff coming to the truck. So stay tuned, guys. Appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.